Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will explore technique for handling duplicates in data. Duplicates can impact the accuracy of our analysis, so it's crucial to address them properly. Let's dive in. To demonstrate this concept, let's use a sample database or dataset. Imagine we have data about customer, order ID, customer name and product ordered. So let me run this data frame first. So here we are creating a data frame called DF with customer order data. Notice that there are duplicate entries for order ID and customer name Jessica. Now let's explore technique to handle the duplicate effectively. Here in this code we can use the duplicated function to check for duplicate rows in our data frame. In this example we are identifying the duplicate rows in our dataset. Let me run this one. So here we can see here that this row is duplicated. Now how to drop the duplicates? So to remove duplicate we can use drop duplicate function. It eliminates duplicate rows from our data frame, keeping only the first occurrence of each unique entry. So let me run this and you can see this one, the duplicate row is deleted. Now for example, if the requirement is to keeping the last occurrence of duplicate, so let me first run this database again, data frame again, and then I'll come here and I'll if we need to keep the last one, then we can provide the argument keep last, and if I will run here, so it will take the last one. So I hope you like the video. This is the wrap of today's episode on handling duplicates in data using pandas. By checking for duplicates and removing or keeping specific occurrence, we ensure the accuracy and reliability of our analysis. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in our pandas series. Thank you for watching.